Today is an exciting one because I'm going to be talking about myself. Good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I am very sorry. A lot of things have been happening from going back to school to classes, and then the hostel where I stay is very noisy, and also my phone was seized. So yeah, there's a lot that has been happening for the past 3 months, a whole 3 months. But I've made up my mind to um be consistent here because the last views I got, I was really impressed, and that has pushed me. So yeah, so today is an exciting one because I'm going to be talking about myself. I'm going to be talking about my story, not the full story. Well, yeah, in years to come, I'll say the full story. But now I'm going to be talking about my story as a nursing student. So first of all, I'm not in the nursing school. I'm doing no, in Nigeria. You know, there is nursing school, which is different, and then there's university, which is different. So yeah, I'm doing BNSC nursing. B B sorry, I'm doing BNSC. That's the right thing to say, yes. Um in Bingham University, and I'm my third year, God's grace, and then um um nursing. So yes, first of all, was it what I wanted to do? Not really. Because I know in secondary school I used to love math a lot. But I didn't like chemistry at all. I didn't even like biology. Well, if I would choose between chemistry and biology, I would pick biology. But I didn't like biology so much. But I loved physics. I loved maths. And English, I was just there. And then, so yeah, I think my dad wanted me to do medicine. But my mom wanted me to do nursing. So I went to my mom. And then my daddy would say that, why don't you just aim high, aim high? I'm like, medicine is difficult. And so yeah, I chose nursing, and got into school, into Bingham. Like I said, it's not the full story, but as time goes on, there'll be a later story. And started off year one. With Bingham, it's not so much because in my time, I went in when it was COVID, right after COVID hit. Um, After the COVID lockdown, then I resumed school. So you can imagine we had like COVID restrictions, so we had to wear face masks. We shouldn't be gathered in a large. So it was easy for me because our classes were strictly online. So imagine you just be in the hostel and you're just indoors. You're just in your hostel for like morning till night. You have your classes on Google Classroom. Our test was online. Our exam was in ICT, was also, so we're the first set that wrote test exams. No, we're not the first set. The first set was the COVID set. So this my seniors, but ours was different because we were the year ones that had that experience. If that makes sense, yeah. So my test was online. My like even practical, we even had one practical exam that was in ICT. So it was a beautiful experience, trust me. And so yeah, so it was easy. So a lot of us passed. Passing was a bit easy. Then in year two, year two wasn't so much because in year two now, because we're already used to the soft life. So most of us in year two um didn't shift. Do you understand? So we didn't adapt. So when our first semester results came out, it was bloody because some of us that some persons that had like 4.8, 4.7, or the 4 point, they're getting like 2 points, 3 points. And then it actually helped to just boost up. And then we did the second semester, a lot of improvement for the year two. But in the year two too, we had like insecurity problems. So our exams was rushed. Our exams was rushed. Um And then, so our exam was supposed to be in like 3 weeks. They moved it 2 weeks backward. So you can imagine. So we had exam the next week, and we're supposed to finish the exam in 1 week. So some people wrote 3 papers, some people wrote 3 papers, some people were out. I wrote 2 papers every day, and it was, I'm telling you, it was not funny at all because I drank coffee, I tried to stay awake. But God bless me, all my roommates were nursing. It was miraculous. We don't choose our roommates in my school, but yeah. So yeah, and my result was good. It was very good, thank God. And then now I'm in year 3 and my first semester, where we're doing med surg, we're doing mental health, we're doing community health, we're doing pharmacology, we're doing nursing ethics and jurisprudence, that is law. What I want to get, there's one I'm missing. We're doing psychology, we're doing nutrition. It's like 8 or 9 courses, a lot. There's a lot going on. And also, I didn't tell you that we had clinical experiences in this second semester break for year 2. I did my own close by. So yeah, so that's pretty it. But the truth about is that nursing is nursing is, it's a beautiful profession, but there's a lot that is in there. There's so much strength, so much mental energy. If you're not so strong, can can shake, especially if you see your results and it's not encouraging. I mean that. So yeah, but that's my nursing story. But there's also a lot. There's also times where it felt difficult. There are times where it felt like, I'm sure I want to do this. Times where I almost gave up. Times where, well, friends, family were a good support system for me, trust me. And yeah, so that is my nursing story. There's no, just 3 years that I've been in. But subsequently, there is more, and I remember I'll trade out there. Thank you so much. So yeah, do well to like, do well to share, and do well to comment. If you're struggling,